And Mustafa, I do want to give you a chance to chime in as well. You specifically work with the agricultural sector, which I know you're for your company's name is Easy Fresh, but there's nothing easy about it now, as you know. It's a very interesting space to be in. So I wanted to kind of know also your journey into understanding, all right, who's my target customer, how to work with these basically business owners to their own lights and empower them accordingly. Mm.
Yeah, thank you, Jarrar. So yeah, it's been a journey for us as well. We started off, we've always been B2B, but we started off with a very particular segment of customers, and those were retailers, smaller retailers that we were serving directly, delivering directly to them. And within that segment, we were serving, when we started initially, we were serving the more established retailers, people who have a shop. So guys, we serve fruit and vegetable sellers, and within that category, there are quite a few variations. We started off with the most structured retailers, and very soon we learned that the actual demand, particularly in Karachi, the biggest city in Pakistan, the demand was driven by what we would call in local language telewalas or push retail, people who sell on push carts primarily. And it was a huge demand over there. And we very soon shifted focus to those telewalas and started selling to them, delivering to them. For them, it was a very unique service, getting fresh produce at your doorstep or tela step every morning. It was a breakthrough for them. They were able to save costs instead of going to the mandi or the marketplace every morning. But as Jarrar was earlier, it's just overall everything in our business model when we realized that the last mile deliveries were just going to eat up a lot of cost for, and it was a convenience that most retailers were not willing to pay for. So we rationalized and we shifted focus towards larger retailers. We then started serving what you would call key accounts, larger grocery chains, larger grocery stores. The margins are a little better, and the business is a lot more stable. That was the need of the hour for us. We just wanted that when our last mile deliveries, the cost of the last mile delivery is more justified, and we're able to get that from the customer. So we shifted focus towards those guys. Along the journey, we learned they're wholesalers in marketplaces that actually really could use our help. And we started serving them as well. And then the environment in the country in the recent times, we've noticed there's a lot of effort by the government to promote exports. And agriculture is one of those sectors that's kind of evergreen in that aspect. So we started very tentatively, very cautiously. In the last 6 to 8 months, we started exports. And then we just realized we had a good expertise in this area. And we started providing export as a service to customers, not just exporting on our own behalf to multiple countries, but also other folks. You could call them people who had deeper pockets, who wanted to benefit from this trade with other countries, started approaching us if we could run their entire export business in agriculture for them. We started doing that. So we've experienced quite a few different channels and different types of customers. And I think very similar to what Siptan and Jarrar were saying, it's how the times are, and you roll with the times.